It's April 28th, 6:10 p.m. So I finally finished installing this camera on my bike. I got some magnets, and this camera has some magnets in the back, so I just taped up some. I put some on top, and I don't know, it seems secure. The camera is not moving around too much. So we're gonna check it out. Hopefully it doesn't start raining, because it's really cloudy. Looks like it's gonna rain, but hopefully not for another hour or two. Okay, let's see. Hit a bump. Yeah. So camera is mostly secured, and it's not moving all over the place. I guess we'll find out. Just used a bunch of magnets that I got online. Looks like a drone flying on top. Camera's not gonna record that. I don't think it'll catch that. But yeah, I've been trying to record. This is a body cam, and not having much luck with it lately. Today I went to another gym. It's about 5 miles from the gym I go to, and as I was coming back, I saw this cop driving towards me. Then as I pulled up closer to my building, I see this guy is always out, sitting in his car. Sitting in his car, and I thought maybe he's on a lunch break, because I'd leave on my lunch break, but somebody's honking the horn. When I go in, he'd go in too. Just behaving like a stalker. And it looks like he moved right around the corner. I don't see him that much anymore.